To maximize window, press Windows logo key plus up arrow. It's very simple to do this. Press Windows logo key or else your press Windows logo key plus up arrow, or else you can press F11 to maximize your any window. If you're using any browser, you can do it on that too. So I'm showing it now, and it's really cool. You can see a full view of it, of Windows, so it will hide your taskbar. And then I've opened Google Chrome and I'm applying the same thing on this browser. See, the full browser is maximized and it looks really cool. Our taskbar is not visible on the upper side too. Okay, so to open Action Center, press Windows logo key plus A. The Action Center is quite right in the taskbar, so to open it, press Windows logo key plus A. See, the Action Center is opened. So it's really effective thing. For a task view, press Windows logo key plus tab. You can see your all windows in a view that we say task view. So you can go by clicking on the arrow, but with this you can do it by pressing Windows logo key plus tab. So it's really simple and we will easily need it. Okay, so to lock your PC, press Windows logo key plus L. This is very effective to mean any type of computer or laptop. You can use this as it's really we need usually if you want to lock your laptop and if you have keywords, password. Okay, so to open run, press Windows logo key plus R. Just to open run, you can simply press Windows logo key plus R, and we usually need it to run if you use to refresh your laptop or computer. Okay, so you can check out my 5 amazing websites by clicking on this video. So you can see 5 websites, and I've showed this, and this website are truly effective websites. I do think so, you need it. So just fastly check it out, and of course please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please like it. Thanks for viewing.